What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, I wanted to share with you some of these cards that I just found out of nowhere. I don't know what's inside yet, so we'll go some treasure hunting here. Let's get started with today's video. Okay, so the context of this finding is I thought that this bag here, oh god, it's heavy now, was empty. It was sitting underneath my desk, but we were doing some cleaning, and you know, my husband goes, hey, are these your cards? And I was like, oh, that's empty. You can just toss that. And he's like, no, it feels pretty heavy. It's like, what? I didn't know I had more cards. I've been trying to organize all my cards this whole time, right? And I don't think I've touched this since we moved here. And so I pick it up and it's quite heavy. We'll see what's inside here. Okay, so hope you guys can see this well. Let me bring the camera up close a little bit. Look at that. So looks like some Prism soccer cards that I had probably opened a while back. Well, Stranger Things as well, so you can see what kind of cards I've been kind of opening over the years. This is a cool Hawkins Police. Oh, and then I have 11 in here. Okay, how about everything? Are these, I guess, considered portraits here? I don't know how popular these are still, but I definitely watched Stranger Things season 1 and 2 all in one sitting with a bunch of friends. It was quite fun. Oh, interesting. Look at that. Okay, so I have some Stranger Things in here. I'll put it onto the side. Very interesting cards. Oh man, here we go. You're gonna see all my past adventure. I have Kawhi Leonard's Optic 2019 in here. Okay, if you guys see any cards in here that you like, let me know and I just send it over to you. Maybe you can take care of some of the shipping costs. Oh man, look at that. Look at how look at how many Landry Shaman I have. Alright, so there is that pile. I'm not even gonna put it back into. This is embarrassing, but you know, I own it. I own it. Dodgers, Julio. Probably give this to my friend's children who love the Dodgers. Look at that. It is numbered. I have no idea who this is. Apologies. I have a bullpen wipe. No, it's not for glasses. You know what it's for? It's to wipe off any dust or hair, whatever that gets on your card. Wow. Look at that. I have some football cards in there. I actually think I ripped this with the Dibs team. Yeah, shout out to Dibs. We have Zion. We have another football. Oh, look at that. Signed autograph of Jimon Choi. This, I believe, it has to be from John from Center Stage. Look at what else I got. Ah, this was a gift. This was definitely a gift as well, so thank you. Mukoko. Y'all know who he is. Alright, let's keep going through this pile. Again, if you want any of these cards, I'm happy to give them away. So, Mauricio Isla. Got some colors in here. Beautiful. Taco Fall. Saw him at a dinner once. Really tall guy. Really, really tall. Some, I believe, 2016 Select stuff in here. Right? Yep, 2016 Select. Wondowski. Too bad it's not a refractor. We got Jaren Jackson in here. We got, ooh, Marvin Bagley. Remember how big he was back then? A rookie. Rookie auto in here. Is he still with the Kings? I'm not even sure. Keita Bates Diop. Sorry if I butcher that name. Oh, we got SGA. SGA NBA Hoops. I was ripping hoops a lot. Fun times. Rui. Yes, to the Lakers. Giveaway time. Okay, during spring cleaning, I also found these Slabmags. I know some of you guys love these. I have the black and the red. I personally like to keep my cards in a certain way, and so these don't fit in my collection in the way I have organized it, unfortunately, and I don't pick out my cards to shows very much either, and so I don't see the need for this, so I'm gonna give this out to 2 lucky winners. What you have to do is very simple. 1, like this video. 2, comment below with what I ask you to comment with at the end of this video. And 3, subscribe to my channel. It is not optional, you have to be subscribed, guys. Let's get it. Thanks so much. 2 lucky winners will be announced on the 14th of February on Valentine's Day. I'll post the winners here on YouTube as well as on my Instagram. If you're not following me there, do that as well. Thanks everybody and good luck. RJ Barrett. Oh, look at these. I had a moment where I was going for second year Luka like crazy. Of course the bases. The good old days. We got Kawhi, SGA, another SGA. We got some LeBron. Wendell Carter. This is a refractor. Wow. Non-refractor. Another Rui. Amazing. Bukongu. He was a pretty decently high pick, right? From USC. Move this to another pile. So, you guys who tell me I only do small sport or non-big 3, dude, I'm all about basketball, as you can see here. Oh man, fun times. Let's see, more LeBron, I guess inserts. Will Barton, Zion. No, that's not Zion. DeAndre Hunter. And Andre. Some select stuff. Ooh, this was a play that I did. I went and bought DeAndre Jordan's auto the day of his trade to the Nets. Boy, was I smart, right? Okay. Now some Pokemon adventures that I had. These are reverse holos, aren't they? Or are they all like this? Wow! I have a VMAX in there. Oof! Why did I not know that I had these? This is... Oh! I got Misty's. Alright. Another VMAX. Oh, see? Or Luka. I told you. I had a Luka face. Oh my goodness. Look at that. How many? Memories. Memories for sure. Look at that, Alexis. We got more LeBron. Oh, Charizard. I'm gonna give these to my daughter, who's really into... She actually doesn't like Charizard. She likes more Pikachu, but I'm gonna give these to her. Okay, Charizard. We got... Oh, Marcus Smart. That's a good card. No. Jackson Hayes. Is he playing this season? I know there was some incident with him last season. RJ Barrett. Oh gosh. RJ Barrett. DeAndre. Charmander. Charmander. VMAX again. We got Charmander. Oh wow. Okay. Some V's. Venusaur. Or Beetle VMAX. Oh, we got Henry Ruggs. Rookie. What is that? I don't know. Okay. Did we go through this list already? I think so. Nope. Yep, we did. Okay. So first pile is done. Wow. That Luka second year gave me chills. Oh boy. See how many they were. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm pretty sure I was going for 10, but glad I stopped at 9. Okay, I'm gonna assume here that the card loader ones are sort of better cards, but we'll see. I might be proven wrong. We got Kawhi in here. We got who is this? Oh, Hope Solo. Like who's this? It's like a little bit graphic there. We got Mia Hamm. Let's go. I pulled all of this, I believe. All right. Got a thick card. Oh, Head of State. So I think these all came from the Goodwin box. Didn't even sleeve it. I think it's a stamp. Vintage stamp. Anyone into vintage stamps? Oh man. What is... This is probably from a break, because it says she collects. I was doing a lot of 2019 Prisms, let me tell you. That's the Zion year. Okay. Let's see this. So we got Legend of the Game, more... Oh. Is that a Japanese version? No, it's not. Oh, more Pico. Oh my goodness, these are some good cards, no? my daughter is gonna be like so happy about these. All right. More Pokemon. Here we go. Boom. So many V's. Don't ask me how many I opened, okay? Don't ask. Snorlax, Snorlax. These top loaders feel very flimsy. It's very weird. Okay. Let's see what else is in here. We got Poliwrath. What year is this from? 2016. I did some college ones. I bought some of these packs from probably Target or something. Decided to open it. See more Prism Soccer bases. Oh, not so much base in here. Let's see. So we got Hakeem, James Harden, random cards, Isaiah Thomas refractor, Jamal Murray. Then we got some soccer in here. Sadio Mane. Okay. What else is in here? And I did the US, not US, I think it's the Olympic one. Is it just Olympic Tops? Olympic, yes. This box, I remember, I think I got it as a gift from Tops, was it? I forget. So open that a little bit. I have some football cards there again. Definitely probably wasn't a top choice at the moment, but some red cracks in here. Wow, these are not even sleeved, so I hope, you know, I hope these are okay in this condition. More soccer, more Alan Ginger. Oh, what is this? It's a tiny little... No way! Bianca? No way, this is Bianca, right? Oh my god! No way! Is this worth a lot? Bianca? I love her. Oh my gosh, why is this just hanging out here? Not even sleeved. Okay, I'm definitely gonna look up the value of this card. Get back to the rest of the cards. Okay, I see more Goodwin stuff in here, and I thought I saw Alex Morgan, so I'm freaking out. Why are these not sleeved? God, kill me. Okay, I have a memorabilia. Baseball. Dominica. Big boy rapper. Who is that? Yep, that's Alex Morgan. The King. Oh! Dude, there's no way that I knew these cards were in here. I don't even remember. What? Okay, honestly, I might be freaking out for the wrong reasons. Like, it could not... Tiger. It could not be worth anything, I'm sure. But I'm still freaking out because I'm like, oh my gosh. How did I not know that these exist? Look at all these... I don't think I even opened them, guys. This is ridiculous. Okay. If you're laughing at me right now because these aren't worth that much, go ahead. But I'm very shocked that I don't remember some of these cards being pulled. What else is there? Okay, we got some football again. God, these are way too many cards, you know what I mean? Like, what? What make is this even? Panini Rookies and Stars. Panini Rookies and Stars. That's what I had opened. Okay. And then I got more Olympic. We got like Megan Rapinoe in there. That's great. We got the swimmer, Ryan Murphy. Remember him? He was pretty good. Well, guys, I'm in shock right now. Harry Kane. Got a lot more red cracked eyes. What to do with these cards, to be honest. I have no idea. No idea. Do you guys have piles like this? This is absurd. You know what I mean? Do not even know that these exist. Soccer Club. Salah. We got Luis. We got... Oop. We got the Hotspurs. Missing the best player though. Okay. Soccer. Oh. He was good during World Cup. Okay. What is this one? Oh, I did another Championship League. Ah, this is the Japanese Championship League tops that I did. I believe this was from 2021. Yeah, 2021. Nothing like crazy, I think. Cool cards for sure though. What is this? Juventus. Some card there. Okay. Wow. So what? To summarize, I had some soccer in there, some basketball, some tennis, some football. Actually, a lot of football. Pokemon, and is that it? That was it. Okay. So I had those, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to go through that. And so I just went through that with you guys. I have to do a lot of research and go through each one more in detail. But he's like, I found another box. I'm like, oh my god, how many more boxes? This is actually in a box. Like this. Okay, I'm sure. Please tell me all of you guys have like a box like this, where you just kind of put cards away. You're like, not sure what to do with it. You're not gonna recycle it. So it's pretty full. Okay, it's pretty full of just cards. I can't even estimate how many cards in here. Just to walk you through every F2 card you can think about. Constructors, managers. Remember Cyril? They're in here. Literally every card you can think about. I can't even go through these. I have some 2021 stuff in here. Some, I guess, 1992 grid stuff. Oh man. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Look, there's just so many cards. I'm gonna have a very long evening tonight going through this, but I don't even know what to do with them. Like, they're definitely not grade worthy. Like, I know a lot of you guys use COMC for your raw cards. Like, do I need to, like, would they even take these? You know, like, is it better that I just kind of keep this in a box and check it out 20 years later? It's all first year, mostly first year, like maybe 5% second year stuff. James Key or Cyril, like all the cards. Like, I don't think there's any if there's any Lewis in here, I am obviously doing something wrong here. But yeah, getting back to the video. Okay, so if you have a recommendation of what I should do with approximately 2,000, is that a good guess? Let's see. Let me just do a quick math. There's 10 of them. Could be 100. Okay, maybe not 2,000. Maybe like 1,500. 1,500 raw Formula One cards that probably, you know, doesn't need to be slabbed, I think. What would you do with that? Just keep it in a box, keep it in, you know, your garage, and cross fingers it doesn't mold. I have that, and then I have all of this to go through. Oh man, this is work, guys. It's fun. I absolutely love it, but it's a matter of like finding the time, finding the energy, and then hopefully finding some gems in there that I can, you know, grade and sell or keep or whatever I end up doing. So leave in the comments, 1, do you have cards like this sitting around in your house? And 2, if so, what do you got? Maybe we can do some trades of raw cards. Thanks for watching today's video and me going through very dusty cards. I better go wash my hands. Thanks everybody. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.
That was awesome.